Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a fantastic expiry today. And Nifty expired at the highest point of the series. Nifty opened higher slightly, though SGX Nifty was indicating about 40-50 point lower. Most of the time, as I always say, SGX Nifty only follow the global cues. But yesterday FIIs were net buyers for more than 1,000 crore. So they have shown their color again. So markets were volatile, but within a small range of about 100 point. But in the last half an hour, there was a decent spike in Nifty and decent spike down in Bank Nifty. So Nifty closing at the highest point of the series shows the bullishness of the market. And Nifty fell about 2,000 points from December to March in the 4 months. Out of the 2,000 point, more than 1,000 point recovered in the month of April. If you can remember, towards the end of March, I said, in the history of Indian stock market, in the last 25 years, and this was the third time, Nifty closed negative for 4 consecutive months. In the previous 2 occasions, when the Nifty closed in red for 4 consecutive months, the 5th month there was a decent rally. So that has exactly happened in the month of April. It was a very decent rally. From the March, towards the end of March, the low was around 16,800. From 16,800 to 17,900, it's a very impressive rally of 1,100 points. And this rally is despite, IT stocks doing very badly. Infosys falling more than 10-15% because Infosys is one of the index heavyweight and falling more than 10-15%, and TCS falling, and then HDFC Bank falling. So there are many index heavyweights fell, and despite that Nifty has shot up nearly 1,100 points. And if Infosys and TCS and HDFC Bank did not fall, I think by this time we would have been trading around 18,100 to 18,200. April month has gone very well. What about May? In US, there is a famous saying, sell everything in May and go away. So usually May month is not a good month. In the past also, there were many severe corrections in the month of May. So anyway, we will talk about May series on Sunday during Dalal Street Week Ahead program. Though there was an initial setback in corporate results like Infosys, HDFC Bank, and of late I think the corporate results have been good, and most of the stocks declaring results are doing well in the market. So let us hope that continues. So going into the next month, there will be many more corporate results will be due, mostly from mid caps and small caps. And US markets are also recovering now, and anyway there will be some volatility until the Fed meeting is over next week. So that is just another few days only. And of course, for India, there is one more uncertainty, that is Karnataka state elections. So anyway, we will discuss all those things later. So now, because today is expiry, there is nothing much to talk. So I will discuss more on tomorrow morning, and there is lot of disturbance, some renovation going on in my neighboring flat. So let us stop here. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.